Thank you. Double angle formulas. So the double angle formulas, this is to remind you what they are. The sine of 2x. Anybody remember this guy? 2 sine x cosine x. Now cosine of 2x, there are 3 versions of this. One of them is cosine squared x minus sine squared x. Now you could do some substituting with the Pythagorean identity to get this other version. I could say, sine squared x, that's 1 minus cosine squared x, and combine like terms, you'll get this. Cosine 2x is 2 cosine squared x minus 1. Or you could say cosine 2x is 1 minus 2 sine squared x. So those identities are useful in here. Here's another that's useful. I want to take one of these, like, let's say this guy. I want to solve it for sine squared x. Now, take cosine 2x, which is 1 minus 2 sine squared x, and solve for sine squared x. Well, I'm going to have to just do this. I'll do minus 1 from both sides. Cosine 2x minus 1 is negative 2 times sine squared x. And then divide by negative 2, or multiply by negative 1/2. I'm going to multiply by negative 1/2 both sides. And I'm going to trade this. I'm going to write negative 1 plus cosine 2x. Negative 1/2 times negative 2 sine squared x. So I will end up with, I'm going to distribute the minus sign. I'll end up with 1/2 times 1 minus cosine 2x equals sine squared x. I'll write it this way, sine squared x. I'm just flipping across the equal sign here. Sine squared x is 1/2 times 1 minus cosine 2x. Okay, this identity, you might not have seen this in trig just like this. This is a biggie for this course. This guy right here, you're going to use it a lot. And similarly, if I had taken this identity and solved it for cosine squared x, that's another one you're going to use a lot. All right, look, I will see you tomorrow.